Hey guys, welcome to our second lesson in our geography unit. And I hope that you enjoyed our one from last Thursday. And today we are going to narrow our focus into North America, which is the continent in which we live in. We're going to highlight several of the countries located in North America, as well as highlight where we live in the United States. So as you're looking in front of you, you will see here, these are the materials that you now need. If I'm sorry, it looks like Mrs. Smith missed one thing that she added. She added take two. Well, I fixed it. So what happened was I took this picture before I added the two other countries that I wanted to, and so I have placed them up here. You will notice that there are several countries. There is the name of the continent that we're working with. There are several oceans, as well as a county and a state and a city. Okay, so let's continue forth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through this presentation. You can also pause me at any time and complete it along with me, or you could just use the Google Slides, which I will add to our website. So either way, you can make it happen. All right. So here are my different elements all cut out. And here they are. I'm ready to glue. All right, first question. What continent is this outlined in red? Take a moment to outline this continent in red. Pay close attention to what I've outlined. When you're ready, move on. Make sure that you pause me so that you can finish outlining and thinking. All right, this is North America. Now I put the North America symbol right there. You can put it anywhere around the red. All of that would be correct. That's just where I chose to glue it. All right, moving forward. Remember to pause me so you can glue. What country is this outlined in orange? Take a moment, outline the country in orange, and pause me to think about it. This is the United States of America. I chose to put the United States of America label right on top of the United States. Anywhere around here would be just fine. What ocean is this outlined in light blue? This is the ocean that contains Hawaii, and it is along our coast here in California. Do you know the name of this ocean? Please outline it and then think about it. It is the Pacific Ocean. You are correct. How about this country outlined in yellow? Outline it and then think about it. You're right. It's Mexico. Let's keep going. What country is this outlined in green? Now, these are a bunch of little islands, so Mrs. Smith just made a big loop around them because trying to outline all of those little islands would be very difficult. Okay, so remember to pause me and think about it. It is Canada. Why is this land area also orange? Right here. What is its name? It is Alaska, which is part of the United States of America. So even though it is actually up here, and it is not touching the continental United States, it is still part of the United States. What ocean is this outlined in teal? I suppose it's kind of like an aquamarine, whatever color you would like to think it is. Please outline and pause me. Think about it. It's the Atlantic Ocean. Very good. All right, what ocean is outlined in dark blue up here at the top? I might have to go to my world map to try to figure that one out. It is the Arctic Ocean. Very cold up there. What state is this outlined in maroon? Hint, you know this one pretty well. It is California. What county is this outlined in purple? A county is a smaller area located within a state. So they want to know what county is this one. I'll give you a hint. It's our county. Now, that's a lot bigger of a dot than what our county actually is. But when you're trying to use a map, it's very difficult to narrow down that far. So I just don't want you to think that's absolutely correct. It's just in that general location of the Bay Area. That county is Solano County. Next, what city is this? You can see that I've highlighted it in yellow. Is this inside Solano County? I'll give you a hint, it's where St. Dominic's is. You're right, it's Benicia. All right, last little trick here. Okay, over here you can see that I have asked you a few questions about this. Do you know what this is called? It is called the compass rose. Why don't I present, and then, there we go. Okay, so you can see here that it's asking us do you remember what this is called? And this is a compass rose. And over here, you can see that here is another silly rhyme to help you remember the 4 major directions of the compass rose. Never eat sour watermelon. North, east, south, west. All right, last one. Here it is, my entire North American map all colored in. I hope you've enjoyed your geography lesson for today, and you've learned a little bit about our continent of North America. Talk to you soon.